Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best guinea pig bedding that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GuineaDad Original Liner Yellow Fleece Guinea Pig Bedding. Made in California by guinea pig-specific company GuineaDad, the Fleece Liner 2.0 is a popular bedding solution. It has a bamboo fiber lining, which is naturally antibacterial and uses a 3-layer system to drain urine away from the surface of the fleece without it soaking through the bottom. This keeps your cavies' feet dry and the area below the cage mess-free. Unlike other bedding materials, the fleece liner can also be washed and reused. So although the upfront cost is more expensive than paper or wood-based bedding options, it can prove more cost-efficient for those on the budget. There are some significant drawbacks, however. First-time guinea pig owners should be particularly aware that, unlike disposable bedding, the fleece lining needs lots of maintenance, requiring regular washes with a special, pet-friendly detergent. This means you may need to alternate between 2 liners. The lining can also begin to shrink over time after repeated washing. Moving on at number 4, we have the Carefresh 99% dust-free white natural paper small pet bedding. Carefresh is one of the most popular guinea pig bedding brands, and they make their own paper from raw, natural fibers. The bedding is soft and very comfortable, so it's ideal if your guinea pig exerts burrowing and nesting behaviors. Carefresh is not the cheapest brand on the market, and some customers might be wary about the limited odor control compared to rival brands, as well as the residual dust created by the paper. At number 3, we have the Living World Wood Aspen Shavings. Living World's Aspen bedding is an affordable, wood-based option for owners whose guinea pigs prefer rooting about in a more substantial material. The company has been around for near 50 years now, producing reliable products for small pets. The shavings are hypoallergenic and devoid of aromatic oils, limiting the risk of respiratory problems. The bedding is heat-treated and entirely natural, so no need to worry about toxic substances upsetting your pet. However, aspen is a hardwood, making it less absorbent and potentially more odorous than paper or fleece. Guinea pigs and owners alike may find its lack of softness an issue in the long term, and like any bedding made of shavings, can end up just as much around the cage as inside of it. Likewise, consistency can vary between batches. At number 2, we have the Kaytee Clean & Cozy White Paper Bedding. This white, dye-free paper bedding from Kaytee makes it easy to spot when cleaning is required and provides a safe and soft habitat for your guinea pig. The material is made in the US and meets FDA standards, so you don't need to worry about quality, and the company is so confident in its odor control capabilities that it guarantees a refund for any bedding that fails to remain odor-free for 14 days. If odor is a real concern for you, consider Kaytee's extreme odor control version of this product. Although not reusable, the product is environmentally friendly, with no toxic additives. If your guinea pigs like to burrow, they may also prefer a natural paper bedding to fleece-lined solutions, although paper linings can cause additional mess around the cage area. And finally, at number 1, we have the Small Pet Select Natural Paper Bedding. Small Pet Select's natural paper bedding uses unbleached fibers left over from food-grade material. This makes them toxin-free and good for the environment, as no trees were directly harvested to make them. They are also made in the US. For another environmentally friendly solution, take a look at the fleece section of this guide. Odor control is not as reliable as with other products. However, and although it is not the most expensive product on the market, it also isn't the cheapest given the volumes provided. Some guinea pigs with sensitive respiratory systems may also struggle with such paper-based products, so you should try a small batch first to check it's the right fit for your pet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.